Welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Saturday the 17th of December 2016, and we're providing our gold and silver weekly update for the week ending the 16th of December. Gold fell in US dollar terms last week by $24, from $1,158 to $1,134. Having hit a high of 1,165 and a low of 1,123. In sterling terms, gold finished the week at £907. That's down £14. And in euros, it closed at €1,085. That's down €11 on the week. Silver fell 76 cents, from $16.86 to $16.10. Having reached a high of $17.22 and a low of $15.90. In sterling terms, it closed at £12.88. That's down 53 pence for the week. And in euros, it closed at 15.40 euros. That's down 0.56 euros. The gold to silver ratio rose from 68.68 to 1 to 70.43 to 1. The Dow Jones closed on Friday at 19,843, down 8 points on the day, but up 87 points on the week. And the NASDAQ closed at 5,437, down 19 points on the day, and down 7 points on the week. Brent crude was up 88 cents at $55.21, and US light crude was up 40 cents at $51.90. The dollar index stands at 102.95. That's up 1.36 on the week. Gold markets initially rallied at the start of the week and then fell for the duration. It attempted another rise on Friday, but turned around to form a negative-looking candle. Technical target support is seen near the July 2015 lows at 1,076. While resistance is seen near the 10-day moving average at 1,157. Momentum has turned negative as the MACD, the Moving Average Convergence Divergence Index, recently generated a crossover sell signal. Silver markets initially tried to rally, but found the $17 level far too resistive. A considerable negative candle was formed, which sliced through the bottom of the previous candles and even breached the $16 handle. In addition, on Friday, despite an initial rally, a shooting star was formed. These are extremely negative and is likely to suggest $15 silver and possibly even lower. Well, the Fed raised rates last week by 0.25%, forecasted 3 rate rises for next year and another 2 for 2018. Whether these occur or not, the markets view them as possible, and we saw this with bond yields rising and the dollar index surpassing 103 at one point. This is likely to cause investment monies to neglect gold, and coupled with potentially falling demand from its primary consumers in China and India in the coming months, gold prices may be hit hard in the medium term, and any bounce is likely to be short-lived. Next week, we see additional downward pressure on both gold and silver prices, though attempted rallies are expected. However, with most of the news out of the way, any demise is likely to be gradual. We hope you have found this video interesting and informative, and if so, please give it a thumb up and share it on Twitter. Also, kindly visit our website at illuminatisilver.com, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe as a free member for regular email updates and offers. Our Facebook page, which is updated daily, can be found at facebook.com/Illuminati Silver. Disclaimer. Illuminati Silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we are not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore, this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice and merely represent the personal views of its owners.